Happy morning to everyone. Some of you are new to our session. So at this hour, I'm wishing you a happy morning. So with this reason, right? So it's not accident. So I purposely wish you happy morning. So I want you to have happy feeling all the time, not only in the morning, not only in the afternoon, not only in the evening. Any time of the day, I want you to be happy, happy, and happy, right? Happy person can deliver more, right? Then why morning? In the morning, usually everybody will have extra energy. So I want you to have the morning energy all the time in a day. So happy and energized all the day along, right? Every day and every day and every day and every day. So that's why I wished you happy morning. So if you wanted to have that happy feelings and you wanted to have that happy energy and morning energy all the time, wish yourself happy morning. Wish someone beside you happy morning. And all the time and all the time and all the time, happy morning, happy morning, happy morning, and happy morning. Eventually, your mind gets trained. And whenever you wish someone happy morning, you get the energy first. And your day is going to be even better, right? So that's the reason why happy morning, right? Our English session started. Just give me a second, please. And if anyone would like to watch, in case you have some issues with your what we call Zoom, I've given you a YouTube link, so you can forward it to those people who cannot find some difficulties what they call seeing this program through your Zoom. You can also watch it live in YouTube, right? So I've already sent you that in the chat group, the YouTube link. Okay. Right. Now, so let me share this my slides. Before that, so what is our agenda for today? Okay, after my intro, about 10 minutes time from now, Dr. Amanullah Khan will be our first presenter for today, and then followed by myself with some more information. After that, we have some achievers, some great achievers today. So Mr. Raj will be talking about rewards, and he will be introducing to you some of our great achievers, and then he will welcome these achievers to share their experience with you. All right. So that's our agenda. With that, we will be concluding our event for the day. So more or less, plus minus about 1.5 hours event or session is going to be today's session. Okay, so let me share with you my screen. Okay, so I just want to have some general money talk, right? So by this is by ESBI, by our famous speaker. Suddenly, finding difficulties to extract his name out. Okay, I'll tell you this name. So he categorizes people in this world into 4 categories: employee, self-employed, business owners, and investors. Okay, right. So why, right? Why the difference, right? Why the difference? There's this study done. I cannot precisely tell you where and how. You can look for it, right? The entire population of this world, you can categorize them into 3 categories. One of the main category is 96% of people. And then another category is 3% of them. Another category is 1% of them. Okay. So this 96% of this world people, they only hold 1% of the entire world's wealth. The 3% holding 3% of the wealth, and the other 1% holding 96% of the entire world's wealth. The investors. Okay, the investors. So mind science says why these people are there. It is just because of their mindset. Okay, why it is like this? It is just because of people's mindset, right? So the main category on the 96% is this, and followed by this one. Oh, this one is overlapping between the 3 and the business and then self-employed. They overlap between the 3 and the 1%, right? So 96% clear cut here, and then the 1% clear cut here. Okay. So where you wanted to move yourself, right? Where you wanted to move yourself, you have to decide, right? So one of the method, right, for you to have the transformation is trading. Okay, so you can trade some tangible products, you can export some products, and you can import some products, and you also trade intangibles, right? So cryptocurrency is one intangible thing, but then it is real, it is going on, right? So a lot of people are trading, but then they do have, I had been in this trading past 5 years. It isn't that easy. There is so much of information is required, and then emotional factors to be controlled. A lot of things are there. So it is not that easy to climb this ladder, right? It's not easy to climb this ladder, right? So today we are introducing to you a new opportunity, right? A new opportunity. You and your artificial intelligence. Right? You and your artificial intelligence, both of you come together, you can do wonders in your life. You can do wonders in your life, right? So that's our intention or the purpose of our union here today, right? So in life insurance industry, people used to call man at work or money at work. I ask you this question, why or why not and, right? They say, or my question is, why not and, right? So man at work and money at work, that is the best, right? That is the best, right? You work and let your money also work for you, right? One person today, in whatever category you are, and then how much, whatever the income you are earning, if you can duplicate yourself into one, into another one, into another one, or into 100 times of yourself. So man at work and money at work. So that's the best actually we can have in our life, right? So in this what they call journey of wealth building, right? In this journey of the wealth building, right? So that is the best, right? So you work, and then let your money also work for you, right? So there isn't many options and opportunities are available for this option. Mr. Raj?
Yeah, what happened?
No. Sorry, Mr. Raj. Okay. Sorry, Mr. Raj. Okay, so men at work and money at work. So that's the best option you have. There isn't many options available out there for you to duplicate yourself into many and many and many and many and many times, right? So here, it's a very clear opportunity, and there are so many people being benefited, right? And then it is not a small market. As said, the current market value is a 3 trillions, right? It's a 3 trillions. The size of this market, the crypto world market, the size of crypto world is about 3 trillions, right? Even if you can make a pinch of out of it, you are a millionaire, right? Even a pinch out of it, you are a millionaire. So that's the opportunity today we are talking about, right? So you too, right? You too can move yourself wherever you are into this category. It is possible, right? It is possible. So the key, if you talk about, I mean, if you listen from Zig Ziglar, right? Helping people, right? So duplicating yourself, right? Duplicating whatever you do, and then and helping as many people as we can, right? That is what is going to bring the wealth to us, right? That's what is going to bring us that wealth, right? So here with this opportunity, right, in this AI based opportunity, right, duplicating yourself, duplicating the knowledge you have, the duplication can take place easily, right? The duplication can take place easily. It is like broadcasting, right? If you broadcast 1 million people watch it, or 10 million people watch it, or 100 million people watch it, it doesn't matter. It's one broadcast, right? So like that, right? When you really launch the whole thing, and then the team will continue to grow and grow and grow into millions and millions and millions of people. A lot of people in this world will benefit from this arrangement, and they too, right, will climb this wealth ladder easily and effortlessly, right? So with that note, I would like to invite Dr. Robert Kiyosaki. Thank you. Robert Kiyosaki, and then ESBI is by Robert Kiyosaki, and help many people as many people as you can in order to help yourself is Zig Ziglar, right? Thank you. So I would like to invite Dr. Amanullah to continue the session.
Rao, before that, I want to invite the testimonies first. All right.
So okay. Right. I pass the floor to Mr. Raj, and then Mr. Raj will take over from here. Come, Mr. Raj. Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dr. Rao. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure of mine to be your host here with my colleagues, Ms. Dr. Rao and Dr. Amanullah Khan. It's going to be a fantastic night, for all of us, because we have a lot to share, and we also have fantastic guys with us to share their own experience. To kickstart this program, we have three members who have experienced their wonderful result with Royal Q, and it's my pleasure to invite one of the members that I got to know recently. He is a professional, come from I think he's from Hyderabad, and he has some extraordinary result in 24 hours, and I want you all to hear, because some of you could be the first timers here, want to know what this business is all about, or this opportunity is all about. And we also have people who want to know how to go about making the best out of the crypto trading that is very, very popular right now. And in fact, it is the thing in the next 5-10 years. This is going to be one of the biggest things for all of us to experience. And I'm very sure millions of them are going to be very, very rich. In fact, being rich and being financially free is no more an obstacle for anybody. It is going to be a fantastic experience, and Royal Q is one of the most wonderful opportunity we have right now. And you will see for yourself. We have people who are beginners who have done it so well. We have people who have experienced so good, in terms of trading. And we also have a member, or one of our colleagues who has done an amazing thing in the industry. In a shorter span of time, come close to about 200,000 members. That's something extraordinary for an ordinary network player. So whether you are a networker, whether you are a trader, or whether you just want to be a small part in the trading industry, in the crypto space, this is the thing that you are going to see. And I'm sure every bit of it will be something that you're going to enjoy. So with that, let me introduce you the very first person to talk about his experience and his inspiration in the business. Let us put our hands together and welcome Vande Mataram Narsingh Rao. Narsingh Rao, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome, Narsingh Rao.
Vande Mataram.
Vande
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. A very, very good evening to one and all. A very good evening to all the brothers and sisters of the wonderful Royal Q family. I'm so happy to talk over here. I'm very, very happy after I joined Royal Q and I've started my wonderful business. This is the best business opportunity I have ever come across. My dear friends, I'd like to tell you, I tried to understand what exactly is the crypto world. What exactly is the base of this crypto world? I would like to say a few words about that. It is all about the blockchain technology. The three features which everyone need to understand is the main features. It is immutable technology. The blockchain technology is immutable. That means nobody can hack anything over here. That is the fantastic thing. And even the people who know about the technology of this, once they put the program into the network, they could never take it back. It is irreversible. And the third feature is it is decentralized. This word is to be understood by each and every one. Decentralized means it goes into the hands of the people at large across the globe, where people can become the greatest people on this earth with this wonderful technology. I want you to understand that this blockchain technology has brought in such a wonderful thing. Anything created so far under the sun is for the benefit of the people at large. And I tell you, my dear friends, grab this opportunity, which is based on the blockchain technology, which is making people great, greater, and the greatest. And whoever will take this opportunity as early possible, there are all chances that you can rule the world. And my dear friends, I would like to tell you something. Under this sun, on this globe, whatever is made by God, whatever is made by man, is for the sake of the people who have got passion to achieve something on this earth. All that is required is passion to achieve something. You have the passion, you have the goal, the entire world will be after you to make you and help you achieve the goal that you are wanting to achieve. The entire world will be supporting you to achieve the goal that you want. And my dear friends, I understood the advanced technology. I understood what all our great appliance and leaders are telling. I'm very thankful to Dr. Jagdish sir, who introduced me to this wonderful world of Royal Q. And I'm thankful to Mr. Swami. I'm thankful to Mr. E.J. Rao, Mr. Jose, Mr. Rock Luong, Mr. Rajesh, and all the appliance. Thanks a lot to you all. My dear friends, I'm Narsingh Rao Vande Mataram from India. Basically, I'm an educationist. I run 3 schools in India for 32 years. And now, because of this COVID situation, I wanted to do something great for my school. And after I got into this Royal Q, now I've got all the confidence where I'll be able to make a lot of money in order to support my educational institutions. I'm an educationist. What gives me real happiness is when I pay more to my school teachers and when I take less fees from my school students. And this is what I am going to do with the help of Royal Q. And after I understood the great opportunity, the great technology, and these wonderful people behind me, I thought the world is behind me. Let me do something great. And I spoke to people and I showed them the opportunity. I explained them what exactly you can become in life. And my dear friends, the V2 rank was achieved in 22 hours, my dear friends, in just 22 hours. And with the same pace, I am going forward. And by December 31st, I have plans to achieve the V6. And let me tell you, my dear friends, this is a wonderful world, the fantastic world. Now already I've got the confidence because of Royal Q, where I'm able to make a lot of money. Every day, the money is flowing in and the team size is growing. It all happens only because of the passion. Do not waste a single minute. Start working. Start informing everyone. Charity begins from home. This is what people say. Please tell your family members, tell your friends, tell each and every one. The entire world. Do you know something? People do not know about the advanced things happening under the sun. You require to know. And as soon as you know, do not waste your time. It is not the time where people need to be lethargic. No, you need to be in action. And you know, people who are in action, they achieve things. Come on, get into action. And whatever you want, you will be able to achieve from Royal Q. I am able to see this, not just me, but even my team members are planning to do a lot of records. And this is a wonderful world where there is a healthy competition, where the entire countries on the globe are getting to become one. It's a global village. We are all having a healthy competition where we are going to give an opportunity to people to get financial freedom to achieve whatever they are planning to achieve in their life. Come on, friends, grab this opportunity and make your dreams come true. Already, my dreams are taking their shape, and very soon I'll come back with wonderful achievers from my team, from India, and contributing to the entire world. The message of India, message of Mahatma Gandhi, message of all the great people of India, that Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Narsingh, for a wonderful sharing of yours. All right. Okay. Let's move on to The next person, he is Mr. Sanjay. Mr. Sanjay is a trader who took Royal Q on his own and he's been trading quite successfully. And he was introduced by another fantastic leader from Kerala by the name of Mr. Sminash Thomas. And here is with us today. And let us welcome Mr. Sanjay. Sanjay, are you there?
Yeah, yes, sir. I am there.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Hi. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanjay. I am from Kerala. First time I am getting excuse. I don't much to talk with in English. I can adjust. That's all. So sorry to I am saying anything wrong. Please excuse me. So I am very thankful to Mr. Smith Thomas. He is giving a wonderful opportunity to the Royal Q. And I also doing very well in the business. This is my first project in cryptocurrency. This one is just started the business in first 5 months, and I made a little 2,000 people's team also, and now I achieved the V4 rank also. And also in the Royal Q, first I am telling in the Royal Q I achieved my first dream. I just purchased a new Fortuner car in last week. That is my first dreams come true with the Royal Q. So I am so happy. And also my all leaders, all my friends and all leaders, all are happy and all are enjoying with this doing the Royal Q. So all are making a lot of money, all are happy because in the everyone knows in the pandemic situation, all are was worried about their futures. Now the Royal Q came on, everyone say all of my teams of futures was it ultimately changed. So awesome. All are doing very good well. So I would like to share my just a trading experience. So can I share the screen share?
Please go ahead, Sanjay.
This this is my trading account. Just in few days back, I just started with 1 lakh USDT on a fifth. This month fifth. This is my 1 lakh. So I am getting this. I am wondering and getting a lot of money from here because everyone know because now we saw the market is very low. Then also I am getting good income. See on first day 340 and 329, 190, and this 720 I get yesterday. 2 days I get 156. So this is my trading account. So I am so happy. This is my trading balance. So now I am having 90,000 USD balance now. I put in just in 1 lakh. So this 9,000 something USD only is used. So this is my experience and sharing with you all guys. So already Rao sir and a doctor is just spoke now very well. This blasting experience, and he's having 3 schools and doing very well. I all excited to do this one. So I am also telling everyone as soon as possible, everyone achieve V6 and they achieve all dreams come true in financial freedom. That's all, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sanjay. Thank you very much for your time. All right. Okay. I'm sure that people who watch your screen definitely get excited how the money is made, and I'm sure they know what to do. All right. So thank you very much once again. All right. Okay. Let's move on to our third person. And he is one that I personally enrolled into Royal Q some 6 months ago, close to about 6 months. And he comes from Kerala, someone who is actually, faster than, that in anything that he does, he's very fast. And when I spoke to him about this, business opportunity, he decided to join in. And he is one guy that I can tell you that he really truly took the advice of Robert Kiyosaki, who said, OPM and OPT, other people time and other people money. He used my time, he used my resources, and he brought a huge team. And here he is with us. Let's put our hands together. Welcome, Mr. Bala Murugan. Okay, you can unmute, Mr. Bala.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Raj sir. I'm right now very, very happy because our team is growing very, very fast comparatively. Nobody achieved this kind of things without a Royal Queue. Okay. And first of all, I have to introduce myself. My name is Bala Murugan from Kerala, Idiki, and I have been here more than 15 years. I'm also a lot of time I try to different projects, but right now I can tell you this Royal Queue is a genuine and very fantastic project. I entered. Mr. Raj sir gave me the opportunity immediately. Raj sir shared the idea. I told him I want to join right now. Like that, I joined. That blockchain and cryptocurrency technology is very important for everyone. We have to share with our these blockchain cryptocurrency to each and every member of your group, your family, your friends, your colleagues. Wherever you go, you share with your idea. That will work out. And I started 6 months before. After that, I share with that idea. Mr. First person, he took the flight. He is moving like SpaceX, na? Like these
Spaceship.
Yeah, like that. He is moving very fast. Mr. Simneji Thomas from Kerala, Trishur. I congratulate him. I salute him. He is doing fantastic work. His team also are doing very great. And after that, I share with Mr. Rajesh from Bangalore. He is also doing fantastic work. And I share with almost 20 people. 2-3 people catch the opportunity and they are moving. They are creating the roads. They are creating the ways. They are doing fantastic each and every way. I know that thing. So right now, I'm also looking forward to become V6. I will finish V6 in my team. Right now, I can 3 V6. I think, isn't it, sir? Right, sir? 3 V6. Yeah.
Yes.
One is Mr. Murli Mohan, and another one is Mahindra Gaikar, and another one more person completed V6. In the world, I thought 13 V6 right now. Already 3 persons under our team. So a lot of V6 will come. We are also supporting. Rai sir and Ravos are supporting very well. You will get everything, each and everything. That pandemic period, we are not in Royal Queue family, not bother about pandemic period, COVID-19. We are enjoying the life really. Right now, almost 30-40 countries under our team. And right now, this team strength is right now 170,000 people. So right now, what I am thinking, so Robot Kiyosaki, Mr. Rajta told, I learned Robot Kiyosaki's ideas. So what we are doing, we are not doing anything. We are utilizing other people's time and other people's money. Only these things only happening here. This is very fantastic project. I'm very happy and thank everyone, every achievers. All peoples should be. We can achieve V6. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Raj sir and Svinesh sir, Rajesh sir, Ravo sir, and upcoming leaders also. They will take the project very seriously and they will achieve the V6. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Bala. Thank you very much, for your time. And this is an amazing team. In fact, I would say probably 90% of the entire team in India is actually branched out from Bala's effort. So that's how big. And this man is an ordinary person. Anybody can do. Anybody can succeed in this business. Bala could do, you can do, and anyone out there can also do this. All right. So with that, let us move on to that actual main program. And I just want to invite one of our presenters here, Dr. Amanullah Khan. He is our guest presenter tonight. And he is going to bring you through the slides, and with great stories. And he's going to narrate in such a way that you will completely understand what this business is all about and why you should get into this business right now, today. All right. So with that note, let me welcome Dr. Amanullah Khan. Doctor, I am passing the mic to you.
First of all, very good evening to all of you. Thank you very much. Previous speakers, all of you have seen are simple, ordinary people who believed in the information and made a decision. In this fast-changing world, all we require is patience to listen to new things that are happening. Make a decision, because everybody, whether we like it or we don't like it, will have to become a part of it, because it's a revolution. What is the revolution? Why by default we'll become a part of it? What happens if you take a decision today? These aspects I'll be sharing today to you all. And I'm sure some of you will take decisions. Some will take later, but sooner or later, everyone will have to come into the system. Because this is advanced fintech system. RoyalQ is the brand name. The technology that they use here is called quantification trading strategy. So it's a system. The best part of it is it talks about money, that everybody deals, whether it's a young child, adult, or elders, throughout your lifetime, day in and day out, we deal with money. And it's one of the most important subjects which is seldom taught at schools. This subject is such a critical subject, and it's very rarely taught how one could multiply incomes. Job is not the only way to generate money. And in a fast-changing world, when technology becomes smarter than a human being, the human being simply needs to adopt the technology and make the technology work for us. So I have a first question. How many of us here have a smartphone? Probable answer is every one of us have a smartphone. But having a smartphone alone is not enough. If you have a smartphone and you're not making the best use of it, and you must have 15, 20, 30, 40 apps. Whenever I ask people, they say I have 20 apps, I have 30 apps. If you don't have one app which is generating income for you, whether you're sleeping, whether you're eating, whether you're on the day or at night or traveling 24/7 using a technology, then it's not a smartphone. It's still a dumb device. With that, the best part of this RoyalQ is your money is safe in your hands. That means the complete security of your money is in your control. It's not in RoyalQ's control. RoyalQ is just a technology which you will apply on a world's best platform for trading, and This works whether it is markets are down or markets are not doing well or markets are doing extremely well. Both the times it is able to generate profit. How? That's also I'm going to share today. Royal Q and its purpose. Today, the objective was to create awareness about the potential of cryptocurrency as an asset. Dear friends, we are all moving into the digital era. Digital assets is the future. We will be able to help you have an alternative opportunity to achieve, and for those who want to seek out to increase their wealth. It's a pure education program to achieve financial success. Then you probably have questions. Are you from Travel Q? Let us define this first. We are not financial advisors or trade experts. Neither are we accountants, nor are we the owners of Royal Q. This presentation is intended for educational purpose only and does not replace the independent professional judgment. Statement of facts and opinions expressed here are those of participants individually and are not the opinion or position of financial experts, trade analysts, accountants, or lawyers. Attendees and participants are prohibited to use this presentation as a proof or promissory to mislead public into any form of schemes. We do not know the person who invited you what he has told, but you will definitely be able to thank him at the end of this presentation if you remain here and understand the whole thing. Do not be judgmental, do not prejudge. My humble request is understand the whole thing. It is a system, it is not a scheme. It's not a scheme where you invest money and somebody is assuring you some returns. That's purely illegal. And here it is a system, it's a technology, it's a solution that you can use for your trading on a platform which is the world's best platform for trading. We can't trade 24/7 and the markets are very volatile and we do not have the speed of judgment and ability to learn all the things that are coming in this fast changing world. Then what do? You use the world's most advanced technology called artificial intelligence based trading system using quantification trading strategy and allow that to work for you at a very nominal rental per month. And that is real wiseness about generating money. So let us talk about our education program. Artificial intelligence based quantification trading system. It's an advanced fintech, financial services delivered on technology. You also have a business affiliation opportunity and an opportunity to acquire crypto as an asset. So what is crypto? What is artificial intelligence? Some of you already know. You might have heard, you might have read. This is becoming very common word now, but the best is to spend some more time with the person who invited you or go to our Telegram groups, go to our YouTube groups, learn more in a fast changing world and deploy technology to work for you. Dear friends, we have in our lives, if you have been around the age of 40, 50, we would have seen some revolutions in our life. Industrial revolution was the first revolution we heard of after the agricultural revolution. Every 10 years, we have seen some kind of a revolution. Every revolution brings opportunities. People who sold lands and put up factories in the industrial revolution became multi-billionaires. Plastic is a revolution. Television and personal computers is a revolution. Telecommunication and .com is a revolution. What do I mean by revolution? Whether you like it or you don't like it, you are still a consumer. In plastic, we are a consumer. In telecom, we are a consumer. By default, you will become a consumer. And the same thing is happening in the following days going to come. Digital currency and intellectual distribution system. The physical distribution was existent when the physical goods were being moved. In a digital world, everything is moved digitally and the information sharing, the person who shares information has an opportunity to be a part of the distribution. So it's called intellectual distribution system, educating people about new products and services which they never knew before on a one-to-one basis, and servicing them using technology becomes one of the biggest opportunity of this decade. You need not know the whole thing. There are webinars, seminars, workshops, meetings, trainings. Just attend them weekly 2 hours. This is something that can give you far more than what your 10 hours of a day can give you. And there will be a day when the family members will ask, what did you do? So many opportunities were existing around you. Every time there's a revolution, there are opportunities, and one can only take the benefit if you attend and make decisions. So what's your next step? As I said, evolution, revolution brings opportunities. We have seen this kind of evolutions in the music system, the social media. We have moved from a black and white television to a color television, and from a box-based television to a flat television. For entertainment, we know we have made decisions. For music, we have made decisions. For social media, we have made decisions. What about income generation? Have you made any decisions? Have you taken time? Today is an opportunity for you, and your friend has invited you to help you know more so that you can take the decision. Let's look at the money side of it. The world started with a barter system. Someone grew more tomatoes, he exchanged with someone who grew more wheat. Someone grew more garlic, he went and exchanged with somebody who had rice. Barter system was existing for thousands of years. Then came the coin as currency, metal currencies. Then came the currencies with some kings and some rulers, logos on that. Then came the paper currency. Then we saw the plastic revolution. Some of us are still using that. Soon, in an internet economy, when internet is a medium of communication, and that is one that fueling the entire revolution, you need a currency that transcends borders, and that's on a technology called blockchain, and it's called cryptocurrency. Well, I still welcome you, those of you who are watching for the first time, to the new world of cryptocurrency. This is the world's next biggest revolution and evolution. It's a global payment system in which everybody has the level playing field. What do I mean by level playing field? Go to the Google. Doesn't matter what your education qualification is. You may be a doctor, engineer, or a fourth pass. Whatever you ask for, the Google will give the same answer to everyone. So in an internet economy, we all have the level playing field. So it's one who takes the decision that makes the difference. The first mover advantage. And Royal Q is still at a very early stage, because if there are 4 people in a family and 4 of them are people who need money, all of them need an opportunity to generate income. That means it's for everyone. And that is another reason why everyone in a family should be involved while attending such sessions. Look at the trends, and I'm sure you will make decisions. Artificial intelligence. The first biggest discovery of human evolution is the discovery of steam engine. It revolutionized and mechanized many things. Then came the electricity. Very soon, it was fueled by automation on computers. And the 4th industrial revolution that we are living in is fueled by artificial intelligence, where the intelligence of the machine surpasses the intelligence of most intelligent human beings on earth. So what do we do then? The best thing is adopt technology to do work for us. And that too on the most advanced technology, where you're going to trade, blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. We have seen some of these companies which were not even existing in the year 2008. 2018, They were the companies which were ruling. And out of all those, the blockchain technology based first ever currency is Bitcoin. Some of you have heard about it. Any new thing that comes, there's a lot of misuse. Then the legitimacy comes around it. Then a proper education system is brought. Please refer to the NDTV news yesterday. The government of India is bringing out, has plans to legitimize and bring rules and regulations to do this trading in a very formal way by the month of March. And that means it's a strong indicator for every one of you sitting here to take advantage of this kind of information. So we are moving to a cashless society, big data analytics, and artificial intelligence has the ability to do analysis 100,000 times faster than a human being and be able to make decisions for us that can help generate incomes, even when the markets are low or when the markets are doing well. That is the beauty of applying Royal Q's quantification and artificial intelligence-based technology to a platform and be able to generate an additional income for yourself. Start small, but start. Learn every day, maybe 15 minutes, half an hour. This small little time what you invest on a daily basis will accumulate and help you have far more information about a subject which is going to change your life. And this is about the different types of businesses that can be done with the crypto as a technology. One is mining. It requires large amount of money to be invested for very powerful servers, high-speed internet connection, and also the electricity price being lower than the cost of mining. It requires knowledge as well, plus the skills. Not many of us have that. So not many of us can be a part of it. Staking. If you have enough of cryptocurrencies, you can stake it and earn an interest out of it. Well, we don't even have those currencies. So where is the question of taking part in it? DeFi is the next big revolution in the crypto. Lending. So if we do not have any of this, the best option is now to start as a trader with minimum of $150, around 12,000 to 14,000 Indian rupees. One could start and begin a journey and slowly build a portfolio. And while you're learning, you could start referring to your people if you're satisfied, because every one of us are going to be directly or indirectly involved into this today or tomorrow by default. And if you are good at the subject, you could also share information with others like the way I'm sharing today. I knew nothing about this about 4 years back, but I had the hunger to learn. I sought out people who can teach me. Today, I'm able to speak to all of you. If I can do that, I'm sure many of you can also learn and do that. So it could be a big opportunity like Mr. Narsingh Rao shared now, Sanjay shared, and Mr. Bala shared. Ordinary people, but it has the power to make an ordinary person extraordinary by the sheer power of the technology. This is how the screen will look like on a trading platform. Can anybody as a common man understand anything out of it? The graph, the red color, the green color, charts, the arrow marks. No common man on this earth can ever understand this. I showed this kind of a chart to a lady who was working in a hospital, and she said, it looks like an ECG chart. She was absolutely right, because there were graphs which were going up and down. Imagine if the graph in an ECG is straight line. What does it mean? The person is no more alive. Fortunately, in trading, the markets go up and down. The more the up and down, the bigger the opportunity. The more the volatility, the more the opportunity. And in the crypto trading world, like in the crypto trading, there are many trading, stock trading, commodities trading, forex trading. All those are regulated and anybody can learn and participate in it. There are many institutions which are teaching that. You can even become a certified trader, learn more about it. But those are industries that work between certain time in the morning till evening. and 5 days a week. The good news about this crypto world is 365 days, 7 days a week, and that's a high volatile industry. And that means more opportunities to grow. But can I learn all these things in a short time? Maybe, may not be. But do you really need to learn? I would say no. When the world is having a technology which is so intelligent, the best thing is apply the technology. Simple as it. My day is a very busy day. I have absolutely no time to do that. So what did I do? When I got to know about this, I started with $150. I applied the technology. I found that it is able to generate a small amount of money day after day after day, without any efforts. So what did I do next? I increased it to $450. Then I increased to another $600 more, and today I have a portfolio of about $1,500, and I'm happily able to see a nominal return better than what it could have been by even investing in any other kind of investments that are available in the market. But there will be ups, there will be downs. If you look at the average over a period of 2 months, 3 months, it is a far better investment and return. And that's how one needs to work. You should always come with a long-term plan, mid-term plan, and also a short-term plan. And that's how you need to start. Well, it sounds very easy and simple. Can I do this? Definitely you can do this. That's because it's a technology that anybody can use. It's like an app you use for booking your cab. And that app is actually working with a lot of technology at the back. And similarly, you will have questions. How does Royal Q trade? Why crypto trading now? What is crypto exchange? Is it safe to deposit assets in them? What is API? I'm sure some of them may know, some of them may not even have heard this name. You don't need to know, my friends. All you need to do is learn new things in a fast changing world and believe the person who has invited you and begin your journey with a very minimal stakes. Learn, and then over a period of time, you will be able to gain confidence because it's an experiential world. So API, how do we bind with Royal Q? And how do you exchange and work with the crypto trading exchange? How do I do the setting? Who does it for me? I'm an individual or a businessman. What is the potential income that I could generate from this? Is there any leadership and support system? And most of all, testimonies. That's one of the reasons Mr. Raj decided to share the testimonies upfront in this session today. And I'm sure those who listen to the testimonies have a fair idea now that it must be really simple. That's how common people are succeeding in this opportunity. Anyway, you are using a smartphone. All you need to do is download one more app. And then 15 to 20 minutes a day, if you can invest, you'll learn. And everybody has this time. It's about putting a discipline in place. If there is a need and your will is strong, the why is strong, and I'm sure you will make steps to take this decision, then learn how, and what is it will be your next step that you will learn. So let me summarize. What's Royal Q? It's a technology, it's a simulator, it helps you win in the trading world. In a trading world, normally not everybody wins. But here the best good news is everybody wins. And that's the best part of Royal Q. It does not control your money. You have control of your money. So anytime you wish, you can transfer it to your bank account. Max, it will take you 5 to 6 minutes. It does not seek your money. Royal Q cannot take out money, neither can it deposit money in the crypto trading platform. It can only trade on your behalf and generate income. It's a standalone tool. It deals with disruptive financial system. It offers a business that gives win-win opportunity to all. I do not know what experience you may have had in the past. Here it is about sharing, it's not about selling. So if you are not good at selling, and if you have either had some good or bad experience in the past, leave that alone. Start fresh. Post-COVID, everybody has gone through a transition and everybody needs an opportunity. Jobs are not secure anymore. Incomes that were coming in the past, those kind of opportunities, parameters do not exist. We are moving toward a digital world. It's a true way of helping friends and families to achieve their day-to-day goals. It is definitely a peace of mind and it is a risk, absolutely risk-free opportunity. Because your money is in your control. You're generating profits, whether markets are up and down, using a technology 24/7, 365 days, with the power of quantitative financial technology. It's real time. You've seen the app of Mr. Bala, what he shared. Sanjay also what he shared. So what does the benefit it offers to you? An opportunity to trade in crypto assets like a professional and grow your rich assets. It provides you to earn attractive trading profits ranging between 10 to 30% a month, depending on market conditions, but the least is 0.5% to 1%, on an average between 12 to 18% a month, which is very good in today's terms. And when you compound these profits over a period of time, you are able to create assets and grow. Your capital is protected. It provides an audio, video, interactive guidance and teaching on the platform itself. Simple 3 minutes videos are available. It also gives you an opportunity to utilize an affiliate system. And it's a very simple compensation plan that each and every one of us can benefit from. This is how the app will look like, which you have just seen. When you go to the home page, you have the API binding, then you have revenue, then you have the next pages, 2 trading platforms that you can bind with using the API. The binding is a very simple process for which you can either go through a video or talk to the person who invited you and complete a user interface, which is very simple. It works on both Android as well as iOS and starts giving you a minute to second details about everything that's happening in your app. It's such a transparent system. It gives you details in US dollars as well as in Indian rupees, if you wish. Both the currencies you can have. Day after day, the profits generated are shown to you. You can see them, you can withdraw them anytime. Whatever the fee they charge, that is also transparently shown to you. Your ranks that you can progress on, how do you achieve those ranks? Each and every step is simple, easy to do, and anybody can learn this. With that, I would request you to go through the most important step. How do you get started? From here on, I would request one of our very senior person, Mr. Raj, to help us because he is the one who helped most of us. The journey began through him, and today he has a team of more than 100,000 plus people across the continents. And I'm sure today there are also people from different parts of the world. Thank you so much for paying your attention. The only point that I would like to leave you all with is, in an information world, you will get a lot of information, WhatsApp, SMS, email, many other formats, Instagram, Telegram, but nothing will change unless you make a decision. Zero risk is the biggest risk that you may ever take in your life. This is definitely not a risk. I wish you good luck. I request Mr. Raj to take it from here, please. Mr. Raj. Mr. Raj? Hello.
I'm here.
Okay.
My mic is
Okay.
muted. All right. We will have Dr. Rao to continue on this. And shall we pass that baton to Dr. Rao?
Yeah, Mr. Raj, okay. So, Mr. Raj, due to time constraint, I will summarize the remainings.
Yeah.
So that will be, I think, helpful. And then the income part of it, and then the business strategy, maybe, we can continue. Okay, friends, I think it was a wonderful session, and then a lot of information, we have been gaining all this while, right? So Dr. Aman has given us a very clear information now. What about this platform? Okay, all right. So you see, from the beginning, we are hearing a lot of good news. Since so much of good thing is there, why people are not going or not adapting to this business opportunity or this trading opportunity? It's just because of these few things, right? Knowledge, right? So they don't know. Okay, many of them, they don't even know what is cryptocurrency. They don't even know there's such thing called DEX, digital exchange centers are available, right? And then some of them, they know as though, something like Bitcoin, Bitcoin. But then what is Bitcoin? Don't know. Okay, don't know. So then some people, they know a little bit here and there, but then they are very busy with their own things. They don't have time to go and learn. They don't have time to explore further. Some of them, they don't know how to. They don't have right tools. They don't have support. They don't have some assistance. They don't know. They don't know all this. Then what about strategies? Right? No strategies, no technology. So this is the reason why people are not going into crypto trading. Okay. So today, what actually we are introducing to you is a robo. This robo is telling you in one word, you don't need to know all this. I can't just say it about it very clearly, right? You don't need to know all this. This robo can replace your knowledge. This robo can replace it. So as the robo progresses, as you progress together with this robo, you will learn a lot of things. You will make your big income from here. Okay. All right. You see, this is how the arrangements is. If someone comes to you and tells you, okay, someone comes to you and tells you, I am selling cryptocurrency, buy cryptocurrency from me, run from there. Don't listen. Because a cryptocurrency, you can only buy from a DEX. Okay, a cryptocurrency, you can only buy from a DEX. If you want to trade cryptocurrency, you must, DEX means digital exchange, like Binance, like Hobby, there are many, right? You must join into one of these DEXs, okay? These DEXs are offering you an account with zero investment. There's nothing. You don't need to pay a cent to open an account with these DEXs, okay? If you wanted to trade, you can invest some money and then you can buy cryptocurrency. Okay, cryptocurrency is inside the DEX and you can trade, all right? So we open an account inside the DEX, and these DEXs are playing mainly two roles. Number one, it helps you or allows you to trade, buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So there are somebody is buying, there's someone is selling. So it is constantly happening. That's what we call trade. Constantly happening 365 days, not even a minute it stops, right? It continues, it's on a blockchain. Blockchain knows no Sunday, blockchain knows no public holiday, blockchain knows no holiday, what they call whatever festival and what's on. All right. Number two, this robo, okay, I'm going to come to this robo. This robo can work on two main platforms. One is called Binance, another one is called Hobby. Okay, Binance is the world #1 DEX and Hobby is the world #2 biggest DEX. Okay, So this DEX is giving us a platform to trade, buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And number two, these people are the experts of cryptocurrency. They know if you go and give them something, they can break it into what they call into pieces, and they can tell you whether this is real or this technology has got a future or not. They can tell you. Okay, they are the experts. So they become our filter. Okay, there are about 12,000 different type of coins out there, and then let me tell you this: how big is the danger? Right? Almost 90% of them are rubbish. So if you don't go through a proper filter, a proper DEX, most probably you'll be buying home back some rubbish. Okay, so you are in a platform where they already do this filter. Out of this 12,000 coins, they only trade about 200 plus. They only allow 200 plus different type of coins to be traded in their platform. That means they are filtered, you know, they already analyze these coins. They already know about the strength and the genuinity of these coins. And this real strong coins are allowed to be traded in their platform. So that means you already come out of this major issue. That means your coins, whatever the coins you're going to buy from Binance and Huobi is good. Okay? Those are good coins. Okay, now, so since many of us don't know what to buy, and then how to buy, when to sell, now we introduce to you a tool called Royal Q, or it's an artificial intelligence. Okay, this artificial intelligence, like what Mr. Khan just said, Dr. Khan said, Amanullah Khan said, it is connected with your what you call DEXs with API system or settings, right? So that means with this API settings, you can buy and you can sell cryptocurrencies inside the DEX. Okay. So now you have a DEX and you have a robo, works for you for $10 per month. You just need to pay $10 per month. The robo is ready to work. And then when the robo works for you 30 days in a month or 31 days in a month and make profit, then you share 20% of the profit with the robo. If I give you $10, in return, I'm only asking you back $2. I give you 10, return to me 2. You must be very, very, very happy. And then you must be asking me to give you the, what they call $10 every moment, 24 hours. Okay, all right. So this robo is working. But then there is still another one big problem. You must instruct this robo what to buy. And you must do some settings, when to buy, when to sell. That's another biggest challenge. Okay, so there are experts also using this robo. There are new people using this robo. Experts are trading like experts and they make millions of dollars. The newcomers, they don't know how to, they struggle. So then the robo system, they created another system, right? Why not allow these two people share their knowledge? The experts share their knowledge with the new people, so that if the expert buys A, your robot also will be buying A. If the moment the expert come out of A, your robo also will come out of A. The moment the expert buys B, your robo also will buy. This called copy trade. So your robo will just copy the expert. If the expert can make 10% a month, your robo also will make 10% a month. So it totally depends on how much you invest and all, right? So how many coins you trade, right? How much invest or how many coins you trade, that matters, right? So now you have experts to guide you. without your involvement, without asking the expert, just one simple connection, join the circle and then activate the circle, done. After that, 24 hours, you don't need to do anything, just check how much profit is being made, okay? Another strength of this Royal Q, this robo, all right? You see here, so far for today, the robo made for me $18 from last night, 12:01 until now, $18. Yesterday was about $44. You may think, the robo just went to the jungle and got the $44 for me. No, it is not like that. Went into the cryptocurrency platform and just got $40 for me. No, it's not like that. You see here. 30 cents, 15 cents, 14 cents, 50 cents, 13 cents, 64 cents, 15 cents. For the inside the 44, but how many 10, 12 cents? 24 hours, every minute it has been working for me, and got me that $44 yesterday. And today, so far, it worked for me about $18. Day before yesterday, about $37, right? This is one of my. So like that, it is 24 hours working, 24 hours working. So man at work, money at work. It can be done at the same time. You work and your money also work, right? As your capital grows bigger and bigger and bigger, like we just saw, right? One of our brother, $100,000 he invested every day in average, earning about $800. 100,000 invested every day in average is earning about $800. My friends, $800 a day is a lot of money. A lot of money, right? A lot of money, right? So like that, you can too come to that point, right? Grow, make your growth, trading, plus this business opportunity, these two come together, you can be there as well, right? You can be there as well. Definitely, right? Definitely you will be there and you will be seeing the same opportunity. One day, your account too will have 100,000, 200,000 or $1 million, right? Okay. Now, besides all this, that means now this is a fully automated robo working for you. There's another one more fear. How about my government stops me from trading? Okay. No government will stop you from trading, right? The government don't like you to exchange your currency direct into crypto. So there is no accountability. The government don't know how much money you are trading, how much money you are bringing into this platform. So they want you to use an approved platform for you to channel your money in. Okay. So in Malaysia, we have Luno. In India, we have WazirX. So from your bank, it goes to Luno or WazirX. From your WazirX, you can come into Binance and Hobby and you can trade. Say the same way, the profit go to your WazirX or your Luno, and then from the WazirX and Luno go to your bank, right? In this way, the government now also well informed about how much you are trading, how much profit you are making, and then according to the country's requirements, no, you just pay the tax. That's all. Okay. It is legitimate. So all this setup is 100% ready there. Use it, benefit for yourself. So as I just mentioned to you, you don't need to know any knowledge, don't need to know what coin and then what is the coin all about, what is the technology it carries. No need to know, but you can benefit. Okay, you can benefit. But then as you continue to, the interest will arouse, you too will learn about a little bit, right? Okay, my robo is trading ADA. What is ADA? YouTube is there. Just type ADA, YouTube will give you in what language you want to know about ADA. It is there, right? YouTube, and one day you will learn about this industry well, and as your money grows, your knowledge also will grow, right? when the money talks, right? People say money talks, nobody watches the grammar. Like, when the money is involved, your interest will automatically there and to grow in this what they call in this portfolio, right? Okay, Mr. Raj, I feel like you may conclude with the business strategies.
You're done?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's move on with the rewards, and incentives that has been designed for members quickly. And let me share the screen. Okay, we have come to the rewards program, and all those who are here, whether you want to be part of this, business building program or not, it does not matter, because it has already been designed for those who are interested. And should you be keen to proceed with this, you have all these benefits. Let's look at the benefits. All right, when you sign up as the Royal Q subscriber or member, you are noted as V1. So the minute that you paid your $120, you are part of Royal Q, you are a subscriber, and you are also known as V1. Now, what is in store as V1? Now, you can go and trade as much money you want. It doesn't matter whether you start with a couple of hundred or thousands, like our testimonies. Mr. Sanjay mentioned that he has put in $100,000. So it's up to people how much money that you want to get in to start with. Regardless of your amount of money, you are known as V1. And as V1, if you decide to introduce a fellow friend or family, to share this benefit, and so that he too can enjoy the benefit or reap this benefit, you on your part will get $30 as an introducer fee or as a referral commission. Royal Q has designed it for you, and you get $30. So you are a person, you are a subscriber, you are a member, you introduce another friend to become a subscriber, you get $30, regardless of how much money that you put in. That is a fair deal, all right? Now, that is one part of it. The second part of it is you also get a 20% commission or trade profit from a Royal Q. Because of you, Royal Q have an additional member, and whatever profits that Royal Q makes out of that person, 20% of that profit that Royal Q makes come to you as the profit sharing. Suppose that Royal Q makes $100, you get 20%. Suppose Royal Q makes $1,000 profit for the customer, all right, and Royal Q takes 20%, which is $200, and you get 20%, which is $40. So this will go on regardless of about the money that the person invests. Each time the Royal Q makes money, you get your share, Royal Q get his share, and then the member gets the most of it, which is 80%. Now, when you become B2, you get an extra amount, which is from $30, you get an additional $10. So you get $40, and team reward from 20%, you get an additional 10%, make it to be a 30%. So you get extra money there. When you become B3, you get a $50 as referral commission, and team award, you get 40%. On top of it, you also get a peer award 10% if you have a friend of yours whom you introduce, or achieving the same rank as yours. All right, if that happens, the company will allocate 10% of that person's entire money, and then they pay to you, not taking from that person's income, but the company has designed a 10% to match the person's income and give it to you. This is the third benefit when you go up in rank. When you become V4, your commission increases again. You get $60, and team reward, you get 50%, peer award get 10%, and an activation tier award, you get $1.50. What does activation tier award mean? All right, this is something which also paid on the basis of a parallel rank. So if you have another person who is holding the same rank as you, V4, and he is also V4, whatever business that the person generates on that particular day, only on activation, $1.50 from each member will be given to you. So this is, to those people who are V4, having another V4 under their wing. V5, you get $65. Team award, you get 55%. And peer award, you get 10%. And activation T award, you get $1.50. The highest rank is V6. As V6, you get $70, from the activation amount, which is 120. And then a team award, you get 60%, peer award get 10%, activation becomes $1, and then global dividend is 10%. Global dividend is a total profit Royal Q makes from the whole entire team, the whole world. So from whatever money they make, a 10% allocated for the purpose of global dividend, which will be shared by all the V6 people on a prorate basis, which means that if you have more business generated, then another V6, you get more. If another person get, less, then you get less. So this is on a prorate basis. And finally, is called weighted fund. Weighted fund is, is given to those V6 who have qualified another V6 under them. That means it's not for V6 qualifiers. It is for those who create a V6 under them. They will get this one share. So if you have two V6, you get 2 shares. If you get 3 V6, you get 3 shares. $10 of all new activation will be allocated toward this global weighted fund, which will be shared among the V6 creators. So it's a fantastic amount. People are making $10,000, $20,000 a day, huge amount of money. Now, this is how the Royal Q, rank works. But if you want to go, right? Can you see this, Dr. Rao?
Yes, can, Raj.
Right. Okay. Now, when you actually get into the actual criteria of achieving V6, this is how it works. So for V1, you get 1 level commissions, which means when you are V1, all those people that sign up under you become your first level people, and you get first level income. Now, if there is another level comes under that person, then you will not get, because you're only qualified as 1 level. All right. But when you go for V2, all right, now you get 2 levels, which means that in order to become a V2, the criteria is you need to have 20 active team members. You realize in our the first presenter or the first testimony that we had, Mr. Narsingh mentioned that he achieved in 22 hours V2, which means that after achieving this V2 position, he will enjoy the level 1 and level 2. All those people who join in the organization under him while he is V2 are actually his team. And as long as there is no V2 below him, all those people are qualified as V1 or 1 level, and he get to enjoy the 1 level or 2 levels. All right. So this is for those people who are V2. Criteria is you need to have 3 V1 and you need to have an active 20 members. That's all you need. When you become V3, the criteria gets a bit more. You need to have 5 direct enrollments or referrals. And out of that, 3 need to be V2s, or it can be direct or indirect. It does not matter. And you need to have 100 team, active team members in your organization. So if you have 5 directs, if you have 100 people, and out of this 100, if you have 3 V2s who actually promote from 3 different leagues or 3 different, member, then you get this position as V3. You get level 1, level 2, level 3. So your qualification will be 3 level commissions. As you go up the rank, V4, you get 4 levels, and for that you need to qualify, with this criteria, which is 8 direct members, 300 active members, in order to become V4. And if you want to become V5, the numbers gets more. You need to have 800 people in your team. 12 direct must be referred by you, and you need to have 3 V4 qualifiers under you in order to become V5. And V6 is the final rank, which is the highest. For that, you need to have 20 direct enrollments, and you need to have 1,500 active members, and you will enjoy the 6 levels in a row. So this is what the rank criteria is all about. And we have many people achieving V3, V4, V5, and V6 are also increasing, every other day. All right. So this is what we have. Now, talking about income testimony, I'm sure many of you have seen this many times. Let me run through quickly. You can see there are people who make between $1,000 to $2,000 or even $3,000. And there are people who are already making up to $20,000 a day. Now, I have probably in network marketing, this is one of the biggest income that we have ever come across. So simple to achieve, yet the income is so huge. And, in most cases, it's unimaginable for ordinary guys to become so, good in earning the kind of money. See, so it's for anyone to achieve. If you think that you have that what you call the hunger, and if you have the people, and this is a time for you to go and meet up and get yourself, successful in financially, and also and help your friends and family to become equally successful or even better than what you have achieved. Right. So the 90-day game plan is very straightforward. We focus on the prospect list. If you have prospect list, it is done. And I can see people are even up to 1 o'clock or 2 p.m., 2 a.m. in the morning are already talking about Royal Q, so that's how hardworking people are right now. And if you do that, you are already on your way. Invite them to Zoom, webinar, open online talk, share the opportunity, the goal, the financial goal, the achievement, potential income. Day before yesterday, we had one of our team had a big program in Kodaikanal, India, where I think about 100 over leaders were invited, and they had talk, and top leader like Murali Mohan was there, to share his experience and guide members. So this is happening all over India, and this is what we also call as 90-day action plan. All this, if you are getting into this, you need to have actions, you need to have implementations, and you need to have the plan, to teach people how to go about doing it. The plan is simple. You empower people, you teach 5 and you reach 5. Now, the idea is to have the numbers that are going to work for you, and those people who are going to follow this will also be able to see the numbers work for them. So we have the 90 days, divided into 6 stages, the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, right up to stage 6. Now, the first stage is 15 days. Go for your numbers. Your first thing is you show people that you have done it. The first recruitment of 20. Now, after that, you go and get the best 5 among the 20, to work on them, guide them, teach them, help them out, achieve their goals, and they will do the same thing. So this is all about duplication, and duplication when it is empowered with knowledge and skill, and it's get better. And over a period of 90 days, you will be able to see 15,625, a perfect number. But even if you take a 10% of it, it is sufficient for you to really be a V6. So our idea is you put your goal so high, and even if which means that your goal is the star, target your star, and then even if you just touch the moon, you still be successful in Royal Q. So this is what we are trying to tell, just work on this, and leaders have already proven this, again and again. And this is not something that we are trying to bring and introduce. It's already been done, and we have the top, the achiever or the first V6 in India who did it in just 100 days, V6. And what do you think that he followed? the 90-day game plan, and he had 100 days to achieve V6. So it is a very powerful program. What happened is that you will get your 100,000 US dollars or more, when you really see this done in a very massive manner. So I said, go massive or passive, and the passive will become constantly, very steady for you, or, it will increase, over a period of time, and you see your income gets better and better. All right. So the opportunity is the world that you have, right? Anywhere. We have people from Nigeria, we have people from Canada, US, and everywhere people are joining because it is made so simple. ABC method. Anybody can do as long as you know how to operate your handphone. All right. So you choose your country, you choose the place that you want to work, you choose with the friends that you want to work, and constantly work on this to see the success. Now, our meeting program is Mondays. It happens every Monday, and it is done in Tamil. Every Wednesday in English, and every Thursdays we do it. We do for business leaders, and we call it business development. And it happens, alternatively. First week and third week we do it in Tamil, and second week and fourth week we do it in English. All right. Online interaction is also available via RoboCrypto, so you can enroll yourself, for interaction, for learning, and all that. And you can also reach out to your leaders, uplines, downlines, whoever. There are a lot of downlines are teaching uplines, and that happens here in Royal Q because some of them are good in trading, some of them are good in speaking, some of them are good in business building. So it doesn't matter who has what strength, we are basically come as a team, help each other. What I know, you may not know. What you know, I may not know. So when we put our hand together, we cooperate, we collaborate, and the collaboration become a success, and the success become mutual for all to enjoy. All right. So that is the message that I want to deliver today. And we have come to the session. Please remember to take these facts, with you. Whatever that you have listened, these are the most important factors. Royal Q is not an investment platform. Always remember, it is not an investment platform that asks you to invest your money in their platform. It is not doing that. Royal Q does not control or manage your money at any point in time. That does not do. And Royal Q has no permission whatsoever to withdraw, transfer, or whatever, as far as your fund is concerned. Your fund is in your control, and you control the keys, you control the password, and it is protected by multiple passwords of various verification process requirements. So it is well protected, and if anything or any hacking were to happen, the exchange itself, like Binance or OB, they will actually reimburse the fund, for you. So that is how safe you are. Now, Royal Key is an AI software that's designed for the purpose of trading using quantification method. That is what Royal Key is all about. So the only thing that you need to know here is we are in a market that is volatile. It go up very fast. It also come down very fast. Those people who win eventually in this business are people who have the patience, people who have the beliefs, and people who know the system, how it works. They cannot change it. They got to adapt to the system, in order to make money. If you have that qualities, definitely this is something for you. And with that, I want to thank you for being here, and listening to this presentation. We made some changes in the beginning because we want you to know there are people who are making big money, big success in the industry. And I wanted to deliver 3 important messages. One is a person who came in, made a huge, improvement or huge success within 22 hours. So it can be anyone. That's number 1. Number 2, someone who came in, had so much of faith in Royal Q, he invested 100,000 and he started seeing profit. So it is not for those people who think 100, 200. It is also for people who want to come in with big money. Why they can do that? Now, if you ask the questions, you know very well that because people know they control their money. They own the money. not Royal Q. Royal Q is only a device that or a tool that helping them, to make the profit for them. That's fact number 2. Fact number 3, people like Bala Murugan, who is just an ordinary guy, who knows few people, who approached 20, and then out of the 20, a few people joined, and a few people in a matter of time became 170,000. All he did was, okay, I have my leader, so and so, that you can attend the session, 1 or 2 sessions. These guys themselves are leaders. So they learn and they applied, and now they have made it even much bigger than what we have, right? So success does not wait for anyone, and the upline does not control your success. If you are faster, if you are stronger, you will overtake your introducer much faster than whether your introducer makes money or not. It does not matter. If you find this opportunity is good for you, you make it big. So that is you. It is your goal. It is your money. It is your choice. It's your action, and it is your success. What we do right now is only help you understand the process, the business, and the potential and the opportunity before. That's all we do. How you're going to make it big is totally your own effort and your own success. That is what we have to say. So thank you very much for being with us. And I'm sure that you have learned a little bit here. And with that, we have come to the end of the session. And I think today we took a little more than 11 o'clock. And before I want to conclude, I would like to check with my colleagues to see whether they have anything to share. Firstly, Dr. Rao, you have anything to share?
That's all, Mr. Raj.
All right, okay. Dr. Amanullah, do you have anything to share before we conclude? Oh, right. Okay. So I think, all right. Okay. So I believe that's all we have. Thank you very much. And we will meet you again next Wednesday. Till then, good night and best of luck, all of you.